My name is Paul Russell and I'm a Senior Applications Engineer for Okuma America. I'm here to introduce the new MU-S600V. This is a machine that's going to help you work smarter, not harder.
The MU-S600V's innovative work handoff system allows all 6 sides of the workpiece to be machined. While the MU-S600V offers built-in automation, optional automation features like a conveyor belt save time and increase overall efficiency.
So this 5-axis machining center offers maximum performance. Its compact footprint will take up minimum floor space on your shop floor.
This machine delivers 5-axis index machining, which greatly reduces lead times and offers machining for a broad range of workpieces.
By connecting multiple machines, manufacturers can create unattended and automated production line systems like this one. Thank you for looking at the MU-S600V with me today. This is a machine that is going to raise the IQ of your entire operation.